In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn off comments on your Instagram story. Sometimes, you might not want others to comment on your stories. This can help keep your content focused and free from unwanted opinions. Luckily, Instagram gives you the option to disable story comments easily. To get started, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on those three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit until you find a section called How Others Can Interact with You. This section contains important settings regarding how followers can engage with your content. In this section, look for an option called Comments. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you'll manage who can comment on your posts and stories. Now, you'll see an option specifically for story comments. To turn off comments for your Instagram stories, simply select Off. And that's it. By selecting Off, you've successfully disabled comments on all future stories. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.